In this video, I will show you how to add extension in Mozilla Firefox. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Firefox on your PC. Once you've got Firefox opened, come up to the address bar at the top and you just want to basically type Firefox extensions into here and then press enter to search for extensions. So once you've done that, you want to click onto the top result here, which is going to take you to the official website where you can get add-ons and extensions for Firefox. So on here, if you look at the top, you can see we've got extensions. You can also select themes if you want to change your Firefox theme from here, but if we stick to extensions, and what you can do, there is a search box up here. So if there is a particular add-on or extension that you're looking for, you can use the search box here. But if you just want to browse through and see what extensions are available, of course, you can scroll down. You can see we've got different categories here, like, for example, alerts and updates, appearance, games and entertainment, and some other categories here. Now, you can also see we've got a recommended extension section, as well as top rated and trending extensions. So you can also use these to just browse through and see what extensions are available. Now, to actually go ahead and add extension in Mozilla Firefox, all you want to do is locate the extension that you want to add. So what I'm going to do is just click onto top rated extensions and we're going to choose one from here. So let's just go for this emoji extension here. So what you want to do first is actually click to be taken to the extension page where it's going to give you some more information. And on this page, you're going to see a blue add to Firefox button. So what you want to do is give that a click, just like so. You can see it's currently working and adding the extension to Firefox. So it might just take a minute or two to do this. But what's going to happen, you're going to get a confirmation window up in the top right hand corner. So on here, you would just click the blue add button. As you can see, that's now going to add that particular extension. Now, to view this extension and manage it and things like that, what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this little kind of jigsaw puzzle piece looking icon. And this is where you're going to find all your extensions. Now, what you can do is come and click onto manage extensions, and this is going to take you to your extensions page. So you can see we've got our emoji one in the enabled section. If you do want to remove extensions at any point, you can come across this page and click onto the three dots next to the extension that you want to remove, and you're going to see an option for remove come up. So of course you would just click that like so, and you'll be able to go ahead and remove that from Firefox. So that's basically a quick overview on how to add extension in Mozilla Firefox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.